guys, today I received Luxury Divas the LD accessory box. This can be a monthly subscription or a one-time purchase. I subscribed for $30 per month, and it says that my box has a value of $111. So opening the box, the first thing we see is this piece of paper, which has a list of the items that are in the box, the total value of $111, and a description of the variety of 5 to 6 products, which can include apparel, scarves, gloves, hats, socks, hosiery, handbags, wallets, sunglasses, jewelry, cosmetics, and home goods. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so the first item that I'm pulling out is called a bright feather print brown cosmetic bag, which retails for $16. And I really like it. I think this is a really pretty print. No pockets inside. It's a plastic material, or water resistant anyway on the outside. Looks like they threw in a bag of Sun Chips Harvest Cheddar. That's not one of my 5 items. 140 calories for one package. And then the next item is the Pro Artist Strobing Palette, which retails for $21. So I'm going to take it out of the package and then leave the plastic on it so you can see all the colors. So it looks like shimmers, all very light shades with pastels, the white and the tan, off-white, and then it looks like there's a little beige and a pink. Very pretty. Okay, so the next item is a bracelet. Starfish sterling silver plated charm bracelet, which retails for $20. I'm not going to take it out of this package, but I'll insert a little picture on what that bracelet actually looks like. All right, so the next is the Starfish Pennant sterling silver plated necklace, and this one retails for $28. All right, the next is the shirt. It's a black short sleeve crochet neck top, and this one retails for $26. It's a 95% polyester and 5% spandex top, and the brand is John and Anna. So the top is $26. The necklace is $28. The cosmetic bag is $16. The bracelet is $20, and then the palette is $21. So what do you guys think? $30 for all of these products that are valued at $111. Do you think this was a very nice bag, a lousy bag, or so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.